Okay, everyone, welcome back to the channel, Matt with Greenbark Trading. And I'm going to go over my key levels and how I use key levels when determining when I want to take a trade, where I want to potentially take off my position, and using these support and resistance. But since I see this stock drug is popping up on the scanners, just taking a look at this, this is up 230%. 230%. It was just trading at 80 cents yesterday. That is going to get a lot of traders' attention. On the 5-minute down here, this candlestick just is very scary. Now, at this point, you ask yourself, all right, I probably missed the move here, but it has some fresh volume coming in because it wasn't gapping up in the pre-market that much. This news came out at 9:51, and that's where you had some fresh trading going on. But, so this could see more legs up. Who knows? But it is up 233%. So right now, I'm just going to watch it. I'm not going to participate in it, but it is great to see because things like this and things like, Bed Bath and Beyond, these meme stocks catching attention, it's great for retail traders. It gives us a lot of potential, a lot of possibilities to make money. And it's just good for the overall market. You guys remember 2020, 2021. These were great years for the market. And it's because our retail traders, were the ones that were trading the markets. And it was a lot of fun. So I love what I see here. This is great. Good job. If anybody traded this, leave a comment down below. So what did I trade? I traded the overall Russell 2K index, unlinking down here, looking at the SPY. So this is something that I'm always keeping up on another screen when I'm trading, even though it's the Russell. Now, of course, I will look at the IWM as well. We had a lot of support down here, except for this one candle, this stop loss hunting candle right here on the 5-minute, dipped below support, and then came right back up to the top. That is a clear stop loss hunt candle. So luckily did not get caught in this because I had a key level down here of 1980 that is support on the Russell. So even though the pre-market lows right here, I always mark out pre-market lows and pre-market highs. The pre-market high here came into a key level of 2000 and then sold off after that. So we're just chopping around right now. I'm up $265. And since it is options expiration tomorrow, there's a good chance that we chop around. And when we chop around, that makes trading very tough. So what key level was I watching on the SPY? We're going to go over here to the SPY on the 1 minute, and I'm going to show you guys the 427 level. In pre-market, it was support, and then during the trading session, it was resistance. So this, until it broke, we would not test the highs of the pre-market. This level had to break, and it didn't. So if we look at the 5-minute, you'll see why this 427 is a key level. This is a key level right here. It was resistance. It was resistance again. We finally broke the 427. And then here on Tuesday, we used 427 as support again. Came up. We all know that 200-day moving average hit that and then just totally sold off. And then 427 yesterday was a lot of resistance here. We had the minutes release, produce a nice little head and shoulders, and then we came right back down. And then today, excuse me, whoops. And then today, like I had showed you guys here, this was resistance. So until that breaks, I am bearish the market. 427 has to break. So we can look at this where VWAP is, which I also have on my charts. And on the 5 minute, we broke it just about 5 minutes ago. So we'll see. But right now, we're trending down. So until 427 breaks, what I see is a market that's trending down. It's still chopping around, which makes trading very tough, but that's just what I did. So looking at this on the Russell, I was well aware of where this rejection was. Right up here, we saw rejections, took shorts here, and right here was our pre-market lows. It acted as support for the first 20 minutes of trading. Really here too, but it did break under it. So it is what it is. But you need to know these levels, and that's why I trade with them. Also trend lines. I like to trade with the trend lines as well. And maybe we could get a trend line here. Just taking a look. When you look at markets so much, you could look at charts and you can see trend lines. So this is, in the pre-market, resistance came back here, hit that as resistance, and now it's starting to sell off, which is making a series of lower highs. We have lower lows. So we're going to want to see this break and then 427 to be bullish. Bearish would be this selling off further, retesting lows. So simple support and resistance trading, $265 today. Very happy with that. And that's it. So hit the thumbs up for the video. I'll see you back on the next one. Take care, guys.